Hey guys, what's up? So I am here today to show you some of the new developments we have done. So here are some of the tracksuits. That's the first one, fully reflective on the stripes. Like you can see the logo, reflective at the back. So like these are done from scratch. Nothing is pre-made. So you can see the stripes on the sides, on the pants as well. So that's the first article. Then we have like crew neck. Sweatshirt embroidered on the front, embroidered at the back. You can see the panels, very high quality, premium quality material is used in that. Then we have the pants along with it, same style. These are the whole sets like which are done from scratch. You guys can order yours, like just tell us what your ideas are and we're gonna make them from scratch and bring your ideas to life. That's the third article. That's a sports tracksuit. You can see like the one I am wearing as well. Tags, hanging tags, tags inside. Waterproof zippers are used on that. Then we have pants along with that as well. You guys can see like back pocket, draw cords, and labels inside, embroidered on the sides. Then we have another very dope article. You guys can see like the stripes, multi stripes on the sides. Multi stripes, multi embroidery on the front. Then we have like you guys can see the pants with the back pockets. So all are done upon the customer request. Then we have another set, crew neck set. Like you can see the panels, embroidery. It's very clean. You guys can see the pants. Then we have done another article, a very dope one. You can see the printed all over on the hood. Then we have like embroidery on the sides. We have like stag pants along with that, so you can see how long the pants are, printed on the sides, labeled inside, and you can see the bottom of it. Then we have like hoodies recently done. These are two-tone. Again, I'm telling you that nothing is pre-made. We are making everything from scratch. So like embroidered. And you can see the sides along with that. Then we have two-tone hoodies, embroidery on the front, embroidery on the pockets, and small labels here and labels inside. That's the last article, and that's one of the best, and already trending. So you guys can see like there's the puff print on the sides and the puff print on the front on both sides. So you guys can see that. So all you guys need to do is just tell us your ideas, what you guys need, and we're gonna bring them to life. So yeah, get along with the best to get the best. Thank you so much.